Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you jump on, please make sure you tap on the like button. That's free. Also, if you would like to see more videos uploaded by me, go ahead and tap the subscribe button. That will notify you when I upload more videos on my channel. So guys, I told you I had get any more information, I will jump back on. So about an hour ago, the WREG News Channel 3 that's in Memphis, Tennessee, they had, talked to the owner of the laundromat, which is Comfort Coin Laundromat. And he was just basically saying that ever since Dove killing, that he has lost a lot of people coming into his business. He has lost a lot of money. It's hurt him, his family, and his employees. He didn't collaborate about the day that Dolph got killed, but he pretty much said that it messed up his business. And he thinking that soon that the people will start coming back to him. But I guess now sometimes people might be a little afraid to come around there, and being that happened like that, it'll kind of scare people off for a little while, but then maybe they may come back. But who knows? But he did speak on about his business pretty much. He didn't say too much about the day that Dolph got killed. He just said that he was losing business because the people wasn't coming in to do laundry and stuff like they were coming before John Dolph got killed. So, and he's a black guy, you guys. I'm not, trying to be racial like that, but he's a black guy that owned that laundromat. Well, that his business is inside that laundromat. So I'm not sure if he owns it or whatever, but that's what his business is the laundromat. So I just wanted to update you guys on that because that was just updated an hour ago, and I didn't see anyone else talking about it. So maybe some haven't seen it yet, but in case you guys have not seen it, then I'm just letting you guys know now. If you want to, you can. If you want to hear it for yourself, you can go onto YouTube, and I'll go to the it's on YouTube actually. To tell you the truth, and you can put in WREG News Channel 3, and then it should have that topic up there about the owner of the laundromat spoke out or whatever. So if you want to hear it for yourself, that's what you can go look up on. But make sure you like this video, and if you're new, please hit the subscribe button if you like any of my videos or this video in particular. Also, you guys, I did say on one of my lives that I was trying to help out some kids for Christmas. And like, if you guys want to donate, if it's $1 or whatever, it all adds up, whatever, to put a smile on a child's face for Christmas. If you're interested in doing that, you can donate to my Cash App. If you don't, that's fine. If you can't afford it, that's fine. I know how things are these days. I ain't begging nobody for nothing, but I'm just saying, if you can spare $1 or $2, whatever, to put a smile on a child's face for Christmas, that is totally fine. And I will drop my Cash App in the description box below. Or if in particular you want to just donate to my channel just to get my channel up and I can do different things with my subscribers and stuff like that, you're welcome to do so at my Cash App as well. If you have any info that's going on in any cases or around the world that you want me to talk about on my page, you can send me an email. I will drop my email down in the description box. Oh, I'm all twist time, you guys. I will drop it down in the description box below. Okay. If you want me to promote something for you, you will have to email me, and I will drop that down. Like I said, my email and down in the description box as well. So, with that being said, you guys, I'm about to get up off here because as you can see, I'm all twist town and all kind of things like that. But you all get my drift, so I just wanted to drop that little info on you guys right quick in case you haven't heard. Oh, and another thing, I saw the video of the guy that killed. I couldn't see his face close up, but they were saying that it was his own person, and whatever gang he's in or whatever, it was somebody that was in his gang that killed him. You can literally see that they walked up to his driveway. He was sitting in the car. The person, I think they opened the door. He opened the door and they shot him. He dropped out the car. I don't know if the person was dragging him or he was dragging onto the person's clothes or whatever. He started shooting him again. Then they got into the grass area where they were like, seemed like he was rolling or whatever and dragging or whatever. He shot him again. He shot him again. He shot him again. And that's pretty much it. But pretty much he was sitting in the car and someone walked up to him, to his car, and shot him. And they just rolled. He just rolled. Like I said, I'm not sure if he was grabbing onto him or however it was going on, but it just seemed like there was some kind of grabbing motion going on when the shots were being fired at the same time. So, you also got, I can't remember what, it's on YouTube. Maybe some of you already seen it and maybe some of you haven't, but it's on YouTube, you some you guys. So, y'all can go check that out if y'all want to and see the video for yourself. But there is a video floating around with the guy walking up to, I think his name is Slim 400 or 400 Slim. You know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about, you guys. But anyhow, yeah, you can pretty much see the guy walk up to his car and bust whatever. So I'm going to end that right there. Make sure you like and subscribe and share also, guys. I appreciate all my subscribers that's been rocking with me since I started my channel. The new subscribers that has come on. Even the people that has leave comments that subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you all for being respectful. Even though I had to block some people in the past for being ignorant, but that's then and this is now. So I'm not worried about that. But I thank you guys for being respectful on my channel. And like I say, if you have anything you want to say, you can comment down below in the comment section. You're welcome to do that. But I'm about to end this video. So please, guys, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I will appreciate that. Thank you all. Have a good night. If I have to jump back on, I will. But if I don't, you guys be blessed.